Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ozzy's Drives. Today I'm very lucky because I have to bring this car to my friend's place, and it's a BMW M5 Competition. And we're gonna find out what it actually feels like to drive an M car. Because I'm thinking of getting another one, and this is a potential buy. Let me show you. First of all, what I absolutely love about the BMW M5 is this incredible look. Look at that. It reminds me so much of the E39. It's incredible. It looks phenomenal in that color, that midnight blue, that dark blue color. Look at that. Then when the light comes on, what a majestic thing. Not too much, not too in your face, just a beautiful machine, carbon ceramic brakes. Come on, man. This is everything you need. And then when you open it up, look at that. This is luxurious. Look at that. We have privacy curtains here, ambiente light, beautiful leather seats, even the entertainment pack in the back, climate control down there, very beautiful, everything in leather. But the best thing about this thing is obviously the engine. Look at that. Old school in today's terms. It's still cooling down. 4.4 liter V8 engine, twin turbocharged, producing 625 horsepower. What else could you want? 750 Newton meters of torque, 3.2 seconds to 100. And it looks beautiful. It literally looks like a reincarnation of the E39. Look at that. It's just a very nice looking car, in all honesty. Enough of that. It's time to take this M5 for a drive. Start it up. Oh, yeah. M1 mode directly in. Driving an M5 is basically like you're one step away of doing something stupid. Every single time I drive an M5, I feel like somehow this car isn't good for me. You know, it's like that crazy cousin that you know every time you hook up with him and go somewhere, it's about to go down. It's going to be a terrible night. Something is going to happen. Either you're going to have a fight, you're messing up with chicks, you're losing all of your money. Whatever happens, it's that terrible cousin. He's terrible for you. But every time you see him, you absolutely love it, and you can't wait to go out with him. It's an M5 does that to me somehow. It's that relationship of dark, but still nice. You know, it could be nice, but it rather goes to the dark side. And it's just because this is an incredible performance machine. 625 horsepower, M5 Competition. You know, it has all-wheel drive, but that M2 button that's preset to rear-wheel drive is very tempting. You know what I mean? That's that thing. You can choose to drive it in normal mode, but M mode is just a little bit more beautiful and a little bit faster, right? And that's the thing with those M5s, and that's why I prefer to not drive it, because once you sit in and once you really push to the limit, you're so fast, you're almost in jail with one leg. So that's the thing. That's how an M5 feels. But then on the other side, just a car. It's so comfortable, so nice. Leather seats, head-up display, infotainment system, very nice Boro & Wilkins sound system. You know, it's beautiful to drive. You're just cruising along comfortably. But that M1 button in red is just so tempting. They found the perfect color for that. It's tempting. You just want to press it. You see a red button, you want to press it. You want to press it and then just accelerate to 320 kph. Now we're coming to a road where I can step on the throttle a little bit. This thing is just so fucking powerful. Those M5s are just absolutely sick. This is just incredible. You know, you gotta be quick with that ZF automatic because the shift is not as sharp as in a double clutch, but if you do it correctly, it's just forward, 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 forward. It's just insane. Overtaking maneuvers like it's nothing. It's literally a supercar with 4 seats. there's a car in front of us, which I have to overtake. No? And that was it. Yeah, it's just a lunatic machine, lunatic machine. In all honesty, what a machine an M5 is. For God's sake, it's just so incredibly fast. Absolutely ridiculous. 3.2 seconds to 100 kph, man. Why? Right? Just such an incredible machine. V8, 4.4 liter, you know, very powerful. I just wish it would have a manual gearbox or a double clutch system. You know what? Double clutch is just a little bit nicer, a little bit better than this ZF, than this ZF automatic, because when you're popping those gears in, pop, 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 it is just so much faster than this. It even sounds evil, in all honesty. It's really, really fast. What a fast machine this is. Ba ba ba! What's going on now? Come on, do those pops and bangs. Truly is a fast machine. Sadly getting dark outside already. It's sadly getting dark outside, so I have to wrap this thing up, but I'm very fortunate to be able to drive all of those cars. And today I have the direct comparison. On the way here, I was driving the E63S AMG, and now I'm driving the M5 Competition from the same year. And I can tell you instantly right now that the M5 is the much more brutal and driver-oriented car, in all honesty. If it wasn't for the reliability issues with those engines and all of those things that BMWs like to break, this will be the best car you can get in. And the absurd thing is, even though it's faster than the E63S, it actually feels more comfortable. The seats are very comfortable, adjustable in every position. It's very beautiful to sit in. Overall, I would say if you're interested in just accelerating straight performance, sometimes driving 250 kph on the Autobahn, I would still suggest you to get the E63S. I think it's the easier car to drive. It's not as tempting as this to really floor it and drive the shit out of it. But if you want a performance machine that you can track, that you can drift around, you can do everything you want, you have to take the M5. It's just the only right thing to do. And with that said, friends, I'll wrap this thing up. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you, and see you on the next one. Goodbye.